Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add payment method on your Amazon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Amazon app. So you just go down, you click here on down, then it's going to take you to next window here. You just waiting to show for us like this, and you click here on account. Then it's going to take us to next window here, and you just go down here. So you go down and you keep going here, and you click here on your app, on your payments. You will click here, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you click here on add a payment method. You will click here, then it's going to take you here, and here you can add your credit or debit card or any bank you want to add your payment method here. So you just click and add your information, and it's going to add with you on your payments method. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.